Hi besties, how are you doing? Guys, happy Valentine to all of you. Happy Val. So guys, I did some Val shopping. Let me show you guys my Val shopping. Let me show you guys what I got for myself. Yeah. So this is what I got for myself. Let me show you guys. Let's unbox. Yes now. I hope you guys are good. How are you guys doing? Okay, so guys, let's start with this. I got this. This is Alpha Abotin Sugar Scrub. If you haven't seen this, if you haven't seen my review on this, you are missing now to go check it out. So I got this Alpha Abotin Sugar Scrub. So guys, I also got this. This is Oral Care. So I also got this. This is Pure Rose. This is a mouthwash. I also got this. I have not been feeling too well. I got drugs for myself. I got drugs. I got drugs for myself. So drugs here. Okay. So I got this. I also got this. This is for my acne. Okay, so I also got this. Here it is written that it is very good for stubborn spots and acne. So I don't know. I can't wait to try this. Let me see how it's going to work for me. Sorry, doctor recommended this for me, so I also got this. Guys, I didn't even check the expiring date. Okay, I'm just saying it now. I can't wait to try this. Let me see how it's going to work for me. Okay. This is how it looks inside. Yes. Yeah, I can't wait to try it. You know, I've seen a lot of good reviews about this. I can't wait to try it, so I will do my own review. I'll tell you guys. Someone asked me how much did I get this. The initial time, the first place I checked, they were selling this for 6,500. But I checked elsewhere. I now got it for 4,650. Yes, imagine the difference. These people, they should take it easy on us. So I also got this, my all baby oil, like my everyday oil, my always oil. So I use this Cousins oil. I also got this. I got it for 1,800 naira. I also got this. My other one is remaining small, so I got it. I got this for 3,500 naira. Yeah. So I also got this. Guys, I don't like buying one. I don't like buying one. So I also got this. I got it for 2,500 naira. And so this is my soap. This is what I use. Like some persons we are like, tell me about it. So what of these, this and this and that. This is what I use. This is what I use. I don't use a chemical soap. I use a non-lightening soap, because I have a lotion that is lightening lotion. I also have the one that is not lightening lotion. So I use a non-lightening lotion, so I will not have stretch mark all over my skin. Okay. So I got this. I also got this. This is Nivea. This is a room. So deodorant. I don't even smell this, guys. Oh, it smells so nice. I don't even smell it before getting it. It smells so nice. So I also got this. I got this for 1,800 naira. Yeah. I didn't tell you guys how much I got this one. Oh, guys, hold on. I also bought drugs, so guys, I've not been feeling fine. I spent a lot. I got this drug for 6,100 naira. I got this too. You know, I like eye pencil. Like I don't apply foundation on my face because I suffered acne, so I don't like using powder on my face. I just like using eye pencil. I apply my eye pencil. Let me apply it later. So just my eye pencil, you know, I apply it on my lips and my eyes. So I also got this for 300 naira. I also got something. There's something I got. I kept it in the house. Don't worry, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'll get it and show you guys all. It's in the house, like it's inside. I cannot go and bring it. No place. I don't know that when I was bringing all these things out, I bought it. I left it there. So I got a face peeling mask. I got a face cleaning mask. I can't wait to try my face cleaning mask. I'm going to show you guys so that you guys will see it. I just hope it will work very well for me. You know, this is 2025. You need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your skin, you know, for yourself, not for someone else. You need to take care of yourself. Take care of yourself and be happy, you know. Okay, so guys, this is my vow from myself to myself. I did this for myself. Oh. From myself to myself. My vow for my vow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the family. If you have any question, you're free to ask. Okay, you know my channel, I talk about skincare. I also share tips on how you can grow your own YouTube account. So feel free to check out my videos. See you on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.